Good morning. So today we are learning to use a compass to find north and then east, south and west. So to be successful, this is our criteria. So we are going to be using the compass points to follow directions and also give directions to where certain things are. All right, so there are 4 cardinal points of a compass. So we use these compass points to find out where the position and what direction we're going in. So there are 4 main points of a compass. There's north, which is up the top, south, east, and west. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So each quarter turn brings you to a new compass point. So if you are facing north, so here, north, and you're on the street, and then you turn 90 degrees clockwise, then you'll be facing, so 90 degrees clockwise, so going this way, then you will end up facing east, like that. So if you are facing south, and then you turn 90 degrees clockwise, so remember clockwise is going in this direction, we're following the clock. If it was anti-clockwise, then would go the other way. But we're facing south, this way, and then we turn 90 degrees clockwise, so we're following the clock. Then what direction would you be facing now? Oh, if you thought it was west, you are correct. Okay, so what happens if you're facing west? So you're starting west already. So you're facing this way of the street, west, and then you turn 90 degrees clockwise. So remember clockwise, we're going around the clock, and 90 degrees. So remember our angles that we learnt last term. So 90 degrees, let's have a look. You'll be facing north. So there's 90 degrees in between north and east, 90 degrees between east and south, and between south and west, and north and west and north. Okay, what happens if you're facing west and you turn 90 degrees clockwise? Yep, that was north. There are actually 4 more compass points, and they're called intercardinal points. Let's have a look. So they go halfway in between the main points. So north, east, southwest, and then they go halfway. So they go in between north and east, in between east and south, in between. So they're called northeast, which is that one there. There's southeast, southwest, and northwest. Oh, okay, here we go. If you're facing already northeast here, and then you turn 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So we're not going across clockwise, we're going the opposite way, anti-clockwise. which direction am I facing now? There you go, it is northwest. So that is 90 degrees. Because remember, 90 degrees is like a right. That's how many degrees there are in a right angle. And that is a right angle from northeast to northwest. Okay, so you're facing southwest and you turn 180 degrees clockwise. Which direction am I facing now? See if you can give it a go. Southwest, 180 degrees. Remember that 180 degrees is how many degrees on a straight angle or straight line. There you go. The answer is northeast. Okay, these are the activities that you're going to be working on today. So we're going to be looking at a compass. Number 1, which directions are the shapes from the circle? So let's have a look. The square is from the circle. So the circle, the square is here. This is the circle. The circle is in the middle of the compass. So that square is, where is it? West. It is west of the circle. And then you'll need to have a look. The pentagon is of the circle. Sometimes north is not directly in front of us. Answer these questions. You'll need to look carefully to see where north is. So if there's a little symbol that says N, it signals that that's north. It's up here. So which shape is located west? So if that's north, east, south, west, you'll need to identify what shape it is, and then you can draw it in there or write it in. All right, number 3. If photo 1 was taken facing north, which direction was the person facing in photo 2? Oh, so you'll need to have a think about if this is north and if the swings were north and this was on the right of us, this was on the left of us, so east, south. Where is north and where are you facing now in this picture? Okay, this is where you're going to use your knowledge of your northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest, and there's a little compass there too. On each compass, some directions are missing. Fill in the missing ones. So look for N because that is north. So make sure you put in where the missing directions are. Here are 4 clowns that must find their way to class at circus school. Write the direction that each clown needs to get to their class in the spaces below. Take note of where north is. So Pongo is going, so there's Pongo. Have a look at where people are. Oh, look, north. Oh, there's a hint. That's important. Hint, use the points between the 4 main points. Also, you may need to use your northeast or south east, etc. Pongo is going to the acrobatics class. Pongo, acrobatics. Now, you need to have a think about it. Is Pongo going north? No. If he was going north, he'd be going up because that's where our compass is, up here. Is he going south? No, because then he'd be fire twirling. Is he going east? Well, if he was going east, then he'd be going to do magic tricks, but it's not east. So acrobatics is in between east and south. So then you'll need to put in, so have a look, in between east and south is southeast. Now you might have noticed that northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. They start with either north or west. So I would put southeast for, I'm going back for this question. All right, give it a go.